Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification on Viber. So first you just need to open your Viber application. Now from here you just need to tap on this three dot button or the more option at the bottom right corner to get the settings, and from here go to the settings here, and from here you will find privacy, and in privacy section you will find two-step verification. So if you want to disable it, you just need to tap on it, and from here you will find disable option here. So if you tap on disable, then it will ask for the pin code. So make sure that you remember the pin code that you have entered before set upping the two-step verification or as the app security method. So I'm going to enter my pin. So here you just need to tap on disable button here, and it will easily disable your two-step verification on Viber. That's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.